Hello guys. We're planning on buying my own phone this week. I'm shivering because it's cold, but yeah, I'm planning to buy a phone this week for 3 purposes for me: games, vlog or YouTube things, and contacts. That I needed to remember it because it's really cold. All I'm thinking of is having a jacket. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Daddy and see what I can afford. Okay.